So, hi guys! It's your girl, Angel! Welcome back to my channel! So, for today's video, I just want to share with you guys my new discover lip product. And guess what guys? Local brand to. And this is Chicc and Beau. So, pinadala nila tayo ng 7 powder matte tint nila. So, ito guys. And isa-swatch ko siya. Tapos, sasabihin ko yung thoughts ko about their products. So, it's basically a review video. So, thank you so much, Chicc and Beau, for sending this over. So, ayan, sobrang excited na akong itry. So, let's go, guys. Swatch na natin siya. By the way guys, walang nakalagay na kahit na ano sa lips ko. Nag-ano lang ako, lip exfoliate. So let's try the first shade. And this is in the shade Jubilee. Next powder tint is in the shade Dorina. So, shake daw muna. Shake, shake, shake. Next powder matte tint that I'm going to swatch is in the shade Jennifer. Okay, next is in the shade Catherine. Okay, next shade is in the shade Karen or Karen. Next is in the shade Dwinaline. Okay, last shade is in the shade Heidi. So, ayan, tapos ko nang i-swatch yung 7 shade ng powder matte tint nila. So, ayan siya, guys. Sobrang ganda ng mga shades niya. Plus, ang pigmented niya, sobra. And lahat ng shade is name ng friend nila. So, ang sweet, diba? Okay, so, let's start muna sa kanilang packaging. So, ito yung packaging niya, guys. Super classy and minimalist niya lang. So, nandito lang nakalagay yung name ng brand nila and yung shade. And, ayan, marble yung kanyang cover or takip. And 149 pesos lang siya, guys, for 5 ml. So, let's open again. So, doe foot applicator lang siya na mini. Swatch ko ulit, ha. Saan ba? O, dito. Ito si Karen. So, swatch natin. Kita nyo? Grabe, no? Grabe yung pigment niya. As in just one swipe, makikita mo agad yung shade niya. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano siya blendable. O, diba? Blendable siya, guys. Love it. See? Kita niyo ba yung blend up? And yung sa scent naman, guys, yung ina-apply ko siya sa lips ko, para siyang strawberry bubblegummy scent. Pero hindi siya nakaka-bother or hindi siya ganun ka-strong. Once na na-apply mo na siya, parang nawawala din yung scent niya. Pero yung taste, hindi siya mapait. Malalasama yung may pagka-bubblegummy strawberry taste. Hindi siya mapait, guys. Hindi kagaya ng ibang tint na na-try ko na kapag in-apply mo sa lips mo, mapait. Pangit yung lasa, ganun. But this one, hindi. And sobrang lightweight niya lang sa lips ko. Plus, hindi siya nakaka-dry sa labi. Kasi, di ba, kapag matte, mabilis siyang mag-dry sa lips ko. And like what I said kanina, wala akong nilagay na iba, kundi exfoliate. And exfoliate ko lang yung lips ko. But, yeah, guys, super hindi siya drying sa lips. And ang kagandahan sa kanya, all natural ingredients yung ginamit sa kanya, and water-based din siya. Pwede siya sa cheeks, eyelid, and lips. So, multi-purpose siya. So, for 149 pesos, guys, super affordable ng powder matte tint nila. So, that's it, guys. If you are interested to purchase their product, you can visit their Shopee account. Ilalagay ko na lang somewhere yung Shopee account nila or yung IG account nila. And that is it for today's videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!